Hey guys, welcome to Restobin. My name is Kushal, and in this video we are going to see how to maintain the Ubuntu cloud server by upgrading, updating and cleaning up the Ubuntu server on a regular basis. So we are also going to learn how to automate this process and how to reboot the cloud server on a weekly basis at a set of time. So without further ado, let's get started. I already written an article on this, and the things that we're going to cover in this video is like Ubuntu maintenance tasks using the command lines, automating the Ubuntu maintenance using cron tabs, and also scheduling the weekly server reboot, which is optional, but we are going to cover that as well. So first things are the Ubuntu maintenance tasks using the command line. I already have my SSH login, and here you can see I currently have a 34 package which can be updated. So the first command which will update the apt repository. So let's run this command. So this will fetch all the repositories that are available in our apt and then update what are the recent upgrades that are available. So once it is done, let's move on to second, which is the distribution upgrade. So this will upgrade the Ubuntu distribution only. So now the distribution upgrade is done. It took around 3 to 4 minutes of time because there were a lot of updates. Like you see, there were around 34 upgrades, so it took some time. Next we are going to run the entire upgrade. So since we have already done the distribution upgrade, it wouldn't take any time. Now next what we are going to do is we are going to auto remove all the files which are obsolete. So this command will auto remove, and once it is done, we can auto clean entire file repositories which are now outdated. So if you run this, so it will delete all outdated files from our cloud server. And the last command is reboot. I'm not going to reboot the system now, but this is also a command which will help in rebooting the system. So these are all the basic maintenance command lines that server admin or the webmaster should know to maintain the cloud server. So since this is like a manual process and we need to run command by command every time, so what we can do is we can instruct the Ubuntu cloud server using the cron jobs to run these commands automatically at a predefined time set, which is what we are going to cover in the automating part. So we are going to use something which is called as cron tabs, which is available under the etc folder. So let me open this file in nano editor. Before that, let me clear this. Okay, once we edit this, so this is the predefined rules that are already available. So if you scroll at the bottom in this, you would need to add this entire command line. So I will explain what exactly is this. So basically, first number is nothing but the minute number M. Second number is the hour number, so which is nothing but 4 hours 25 minutes. DOM is like day of month. MON is nothing but the month, and DOW is the day of week. So in my command, what I mentioned is like at 4:25 every day, every month, every week, user should be root user. Command line is this entire command line, which is nothing but the breakdown of all the commands which we already ran just now. So it's nothing but apt get update, upgrade, and then distinct upgrade, auto remove, auto clean, all those commands. So this cron jobs will run on a daily basis, and at exactly at 4:25 somewhere, where my system would be executing this all command lines in one go, one after the other. So once we have done this, we need to close this file using Ctrl X, save. So that's it, our cron job is now all set. So I have mentioned everything, the detail about this, like M, which is nothing but the minute, H is hour, this is day of month, this is month, and day of week, user, and the command, which is nothing but this command which we already added into that. So once we completed this, we can even reboot the server. So I'm not going to reboot it. So to make these changes permanent, you need to reboot the server. The next thing which is optional, which is rebooting the server on a weekly basis. So something which we did right now, in the similar lines, we can also add this rule where at exactly at 5:25 every day on first of week, which is nothing but Sunday, root user will run the reboot command. So if you copy this entire rule and add it into this con tab file, this will also run. So this particular con tab will not only help in running the specific maintenance tasks, but if you have any jobs that you want to run on a weekly or a monthly or daily basis, you can just define the time period as well as the preset time and the command that you want to run, so this will automatically run. That's all in this video. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments. Thanks guys, cheers, have a great day.